All right, well, we're back, finally. Things have dried up. Ish. Went ahead last night, got here at midnight, offloaded roughly 40 cinder blocks. If my math's correct. It's about 1,600 pounds in the old Eco Diesel. Definitely a shady load, but maybe I'll go with 30 next time. Got the trailer backed in here. Getting ready to offload these wood chips. Just gonna move that debris there and clean those strep pipes and some 4x4s, and I'll jackknife it in there, dump my first time using the dump trailer actually. Hopefully it dumps all the way up, I'm sure it does, but dump those there, get the trailer out of here, and pick up 200 cinder blocks. So that'll be fun. We're burning daylight, so let's get after it.
To see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye.
Alright, so first time using the dump trailer. Let's see how she works. These are pretty packed in there, but should slide right out.
To change your
So that's what happens when you leave wood chips in the dump for 2 to 3 weeks. They start to decompose and get solid. Let me see if I can get a long spud bar and knock something loose. Round 2. Try not to breathe that shit in. Obviously the wood chip started to decompose. So I'll just take my front end loader and just clean it up a little bit. First time using the dump trailer, so definitely if I'm going to be getting wood chips steady, I gotta dump them right away. Just so they don't get all. Plus it rained like, 200 millimeters. And they just got super compacted in there, so, you know. It is what it is. I'll lower this and scoop the rest out.
defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made. To see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
Whew. Well, for a guy who does literally no physical activity, this was a lot of work. Roughly 5,000 pounds of cinder blocks, which puts the payload and trailer at about 9,500 pounds, which is definitely the max for this little eco diesel. So let's close the doors and get the hell out of here.
We're here dumping a bunch of stones for the garden front part and the fire pit area eventually. So this is it. Enjoy.
Were you recording or something?
Yeah, right now. You told me to.
We're live? Okay, going up. Nice, we have a bunch of cord.
How high does it go?
Pretty high. The battery's gonna die though. Okay, well just boost it with your Jeep. Round 3. First time's a charm.
You'll definitely have to move forward.
Okay.
Keep going! Stop! Stop! Don't fall!
I'm really against handles.
And that's how it's done on solid road.
Yeah, a bit more. All right, so the day is complete. We've got a whole pile of free stone, like pavers. They're super thick though, like 4 inches thick or whatever. Yeah, so these are gonna go kind of around the outside, I think. Jade's got a really big plan for them, so they're gonna kind of come out do like a kidney shape or something like that. Yeah, so this is pretty much the end of the vlog here today. Just been crazy. 4:30 in the morning. Got stuck before 5 in the morning. That's crazy. I'm gonna take the scoops out of that, stack it good. We got quite a bit of work done in here. My father-in-law and I tag team this cinder block issue. So yeah, we picked up whatever I said there, 150 cinder blocks. We got them in here. Obviously they're just kind of roughed in there. It looks like we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. At least 5 more 4x8 rows. And then we'll call for the dirt. Get the dirt in here. Get the seed planted, and I'm gonna roll out landscaping fabric and put the wood chips in between the paths. So we're getting there. Hoping to get something planted by June 1st. Definitely a few weeks late, but it is what it is. Have a good night.